This is HR Reimagined's approach to shifting HR from routine execution to higher value impact by connecting data, decisions, and actions end to end with the governance leaders need. In this demo, you'll see how Cornerstone AI helps teams move from what's happening to what should we do next, and then execute in one connected workflow, with humans accountable for decisions. As development needs change, one-size-fits-all learning falls short. Galaxy AI personalizes learning based on skills, what someone has today, and what the role needs next, and where they want to grow. Using AI to identify and classify 50,000 plus skills from profiles and job descriptions to Powerwall suggestions, targeted development, and competency-based learning across Cornerstone's products. Meet Carrie Sanders, a customer service manager. As she lands on her Galaxy homepage, learning recommendations are immediately tailored to her skill gaps and career direction, connecting development to real opportunity. Carrie's learning feed includes today's insights highlighting learning recommendations, including the most relevant content first, immediately tailored to her skill gaps and career direction, connecting development to real opportunity. Carrie reviews suggested openings to see how AI recommended projects and job vacancies align to Carrie's career progression and skills, connecting learning directly to real next opportunities. Under Mentors to help grow your skills, we see Galaxy AI acting as a talent matchmaker. The system proactively scans the entire organization to find the exact person who has mastered the skills Carrie is trying to build. It's not just recommending a name, it's recommending a bridge to her next career move. Managers and employees are under pressure to deliver results, yet the performance processes often add friction. Most performance conversations stall because drafting goals is hard. Galaxy AI acts as an orchestrator, bridging the gap between the manager's intent and a formal, actionable objective. As Carrie navigates to performance to access her goals and selects Create, she isn't starting from a blank page. Watch as Carrie enters a simple title, Improve Customer Service SLA. Now Carrie will use the AI feature, Help Me Write This. With one click, Galaxy AI drafts a comprehensive description enabling smarter decisions by ensuring every employee has the high-quality, measurable goals. Carrie can ask the AI to rewrite the draft or manually edit the text herself. The human always stays in control. We use AI to improve clarity and consistency, but the accountability remains with the person. Data is only useful if it leads to action. We're going to see how Galaxy AI acts as a strategic assistant for managers, turning performance reviews into a launchpad for growth through agent-led orchestration and smarter decisions. Here, Galaxy AI analyzes the employee's trajectory over time. As a manager, Carrie navigates to performance and selects performance review. Here, Carrie selects complete team reviews and manager review to see all her direct reports. Carrie will use Jacqueline Edwards as the first example to create a development plan. The AI provides transparent recommendations, grounded in Jacqueline's own goals. The platform surfaces specific insights for Jacqueline, comparing her current skills against the role requirements to highlight near-term gaps. With one click, Carrie assigns the training and immediately begins tracking progress. We remove the silos between performance and learning. When Carrie switches to John Smith and dives into his development plan, the AI identifies a completely different set of needs and allows her to act instantly. We've moved from tracking activity to measuring outcomes across the entire team. Galaxy AI prompts the action, packages the options, and reduces the administrative burden. Managers aren't just filing reports, they're building a more ready, more agile workforce in real time. This is agent-led orchestration. Fewer clicks, fewer silos, and faster movement from decision to execution. Learning content only drives outcomes when it's findable, relevant, and governed. In this admin workflow, Galaxy AI streamlines content operations by automatically generating course titles and descriptions, suggesting skill-based tags, and translating content for global audiences, reducing the manual work that slows catalog updates. Carrie navigates to her content. This is where content curators transform raw information into enterprise-ready intelligence. For today's scenario, Carrie will create a text card. From here, Carrie clicks on the language dropdown to select French. Carrie begins by defining the title, Steps to Manage Escalations from Customer Service Returns. Now watch as Galaxy AI Companion acts as an orchestrator. The title is professional, searchable, and aligned with the company's brand standards. Let's do the same for description. Instead of drafting from scratch, the AI generates a concise summary that tells the learner exactly what they'll gain. Here, Carrie will use the AI to auto-tag feature. Content is only as good as its discoverability. This ensures the content automatically flows into the right employee's personalized learning path as they search for content. Trust means delivering a consistent experience globally. Carrie selects French from the language dropdown. For the French version, Carrie prompts Galaxy Companion to translate. It populated a description. If the tone isn't quite right for her regional culture, Carrie can manually edit the description. Once Carrie hits submit, it triggers an automated approval workflow to a learning administrator. This update adds a critical human-in-the-loop step to the end of the script. This directly embeds trust and governance, ensuring AI-generated content still meets enterprise standards before it hits the catalog. By the time Carrie hits publish, she has created a multi-language, skill-mapped professional asset in minutes. That's Cornerstone AI bringing HR reimagined to life. Skills-informed decisioning, AI-guided workflows that compress time to action, connected handoffs from insight to learning to mobility, and enterprise trust through good transparency and controls. So HR and the business can execute end-to-end, not in silos.